Hello students, as you all know, we have already completed 2 lessons in SST, one from history and one from civics, and I hope you must be revising those 2 lessons and completing your work in your copy as well. Fine. If you are not doing that, then please start doing it and start learning your lessons. Fine. Now today we are going to begin with the first lesson of geography, that is resources, in which in this particular video we are going to understand what are resources and what is the value of resources. Fine. So let's begin with this lesson. What are resources? Now, whatever things you use, like you use water for drinking purposes, for bathing, for washing your clothes or utensils, anything. So, this is one of the resource. You use air to breathe, that is again a resource. You need food to eat, that is again a resource. So, that means what are resources? Something which has some utility in our life, that means which we are using in our day-to-day life or at any time, is known as resources, which is helping us in living our life in a simpler manner, or which is helping us to live our life easily, is resources. Fine. Now, these resources are of various types. You are going to learn about them in the further lesson only. But over here, first we need to understand what are these resources and what is the value of these resources. So, these resources are something which is needed by you, something which helps you to live, something which helps you to lead your life. That means you are studying in a school where you need books, where you need something to travel so that you could reach your school and from school to home. So all these things which you are using in your day-to-day life, your textbooks, your transport system, your television or mobile phones also to view this video also. So everything which you are using are your resources. Fine. Now we come on the topic value of resources. Now every resource have some value, either related to economy or related to aesthetic value. Now how these values are related to the particular resources? Suppose you are using flowers at your home to decorate your home, then that flowers have their values as the aesthetic values. That means something to decorate your home, that means something to give a quality. This shows the aesthetic value of the flowers. Fine. Now if the same flowers, when you went to the shop to buy those flowers from the florist, then that florist was selling the flowers to earn his living, and that is why those flowers over there were working as the resource for that man, for that shopkeeper to earn his living. That is why there it has its economic value. Economic value means something related to money. Fine. So again you could see that the same thing could have the two values, that means the aesthetic value as well as the economic value. Again, when you are taking something to decorate or to just have its presence or to just please yourself, then over there the resource have its aesthetic value, and when something is used to earn or something is used to produce something, then it has its economic value. Fine. So in this way we understand the value of the resources, and every resource has its value. That is why it is a resource, because if it has no value, that means it has no sense in our life, it is of no utility to us, then it has no value, and then in that case the resource is useless. Fine. So this was all for this particular video. In next class we will meet again with the further lesson. Till then, revise this part of the lesson. Thank you.